Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong article ng ABS-CBN News. Title, Why Other Senators Don't Like Tito Soto to Lead Senate. So may mga ibang senador nagpahayag ng kanilang saloobin. Ayaw nila kay Senator Escudero. At yung dahilan kay Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri nila pinagsasabi. Okay. So Senator, basahin ko anong dahilan? Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri on Monday disclosed that he favors Senator Vicente Tito Soto to be the Senate President of the 20th Congress. But others have their misgivings about his leadership style. Ang manok ni Senator Escudero, Soto. Kaya lang, mga ibang senador, ayaw nila yung style ni Senator Soto. There's a lot of, sabi niya, ni Zubiri, I have a lot of privileged information. Yung mga kumakausap na sa akin na ganito, hindi magandang pakinggan ang sinasabi, kaya hindi ko na lang babanggitin the reasons why they don't want Tito Sen, why they don't want Ping Lacson. Masyadong istrikto. Yun na. Kasi alala nyo nung yung 19th Congress, yung nagbotohan na, nanalo 18-5, back to sender ang impeachment complaint. Ang daming sinasabi, itong si Senator Soto at Senator Lacson, comment sila ng comment. Okay? Ayun. Siguro, ang mga senador, nag-observe lang, ngayon, naglalabas sila ng pagka-disgusto. Hindi nga na lang dinitalye ni Senator Escudero dahil hindi magandang pakinggan, which is correct. Kaya lang, nagbanggit siya ng isang statement, masyadong istrikto. Masyadong istrikto. Masyadong istrikto, masyadong ano. Kaya mahirap nang magsalita kasi ayoko namang maipit yung nagkwento sa akin nito. Sino kaya itong nagkwento kay Senator Zubiri? Mangilan-ilan daw According to Zubiri, those who are supporting the other contenders for Senate presidency may be doing it for accommodation and were allegedly promised key committee chairmanship. It's more of accommodation. I think many of them were given the best committees that the Senate can offer. So ang mga nagbanggit si Senator Jingo Estrada, yan yung dalawang dilawan, sumama na sa majority block, iniwan ng mag-isa si Senator Hontiveros. Kaya nagsabi si Senator Zubiri na naawa na ako kay Senator Hontiveros, naawa na ako, nag-iisa na siya. Kasi Bam Aquino, he was promised chairman ng Committee on Education. Senator Pangilinan maging chairman ng Committee on Agriculture. Sino pa yung ibang nabanggit na? Senator Villar, Committee on Public Works. Senator Gatchalian ata is Committee on Finance. Senator Marcoleta, Blue Ribbon Committee. Senator Villanueva, magiging majority floor leader. Ayan. Ano pa? Zubiri said that aside from him, Senator Loren Legarda is also in backing Soto for Senate presidency. Kailan kakaunti sila? Kailan tayo talo? So very sang Soto's praises and qualifications as he expressed dissatisfaction with Senator Chis Escudero's leadership. Normal yan. Kasi nga, ang umagaw, ang pumalit kay Senator Mig Zubiri, itong si Escudero, hindi talaga. Ako, sabi ni Zubiri, I am not actively campaigning. Of course, I'm supporting Senator Tito Soto, and I've worked with him. I was his majority floor leader for 4.5 years. I was loyal majority floor leader to him, I would think. Up to this day, he said. Kaya pala, nagsama sila. Okay? In particular, Zubiri said he missed the consensus building style of past Senate President, including himself. Ang nagugustuhan ko kay Sen Soto, sabi niya, naniniwala siya sa consensus building, katulad ng ginawa ko for 2.5 years. Anyway, pagdating sa consensus building, sa napansin ko lang, opinion ko lang ito, itong nangyari sa impeachment, it's more of a consensus building. Kaya ako naman, opinion ko lang ito, yung performance ni Senator Escudero as Senate President, itong start ng impeachment proceedings, ganahan ko. Ano lang, timon lang siya, nagtitimon. Yan, may motion, may balitaktakan, may botohan. Yun, 18-5. Kaya pagdating sa leadership style, consensus building, nakikita ko ito. But the biggest factor nito, bakit mananalong presidente, Senate President si Escudero? Dahil sa suporta ng Duterte Bloc. Sila yung deciding bloc. Kasi yung 7 members ng Duterte Bloc, kung nag-decide sila nga suportahan si Senator Soto, mananalo si Soto. Kaya lang, kikita mo naman yung mga pronouncement ni Senator Soto, wala na. Tagilid si BP Sara. Itong style ni leadership ni Senator Escudero, consensus building So, nakikita ng mga Duterte Bloc na mas ligtas si BP Sara pag si Senator Escudero ang Senate President. Kaya yun na, kasado na.